Welcome everyone to today's short tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to use KDE Connect. So before starting the video, I will discuss what KDE Connect actually is. KDE Connect is a project that enables all your devices to communicate with each other, meaning you can get notifications of your phone to your PC or notebook. You can also check battery of your mobile from PC, share files between two devices seamlessly. Heck, even you can use a remote keyboard and mouse input directly from your mobile. If your phone is been lost, then you can ring it directly from your PC. It even works if your device is silent. And you can do much more with this thing. A note before showing how to install or use it, KDE Connect mostly works with KDE Plasma-like desktop environment, or it's a GTK application. If you're running Genome 3 or Genome Shell, then you will need to use GS Connect to perform the same task as KDE Connect. First, you need to download KDE Connect to your Android device. To download it, we can use either F-Droid or Google Play. So I am using Google Play. Search for KDE Connect and you get the app. It's only 3.6 MB, so let's download it now. Now I will run both mobile and desktop side by side to show you what to do. First, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network where your desktop is connected. Now open your KDE on your phone and on PC. Onto the mobile app, you can see the number of available devices. Just click on the device which you have. You have to send a pairing request to that device. As you can see, we got the pairing request notification on our computer. Just accept it. Okay, let's take a look at remote input feature. I can use my mobile as trackpad for my PC. To use keyboard, click on the keyboard icon and open a place to type, like I am using the start menu to type words directly from the mobile. By clicking on the KDE Connect icon on the panel tray, we can see our Connect device battery life. Connected device, sorry. By clicking on the device, we can ring our phone. As you can see, I don't know why, but my inbuilt mobile mic didn't capture the ringing sound. We can also share files between mobile and desktop seamlessly. Great app, but do you think this app is perfect? Do you think so? Is it okay? No, you are wrong. The SMS function don't work quite well with this app, and also the mobile version app sometimes gets closed when minimize the app. There are several minor bugs to be fixed, but hey, you are getting an ad-free app and also the price is free. It helped me several times. When I got call from my friend, my mobile was silent but got the notification on my desktop. It's quite a useful app. For Windows user, this app is in a beta phase and you can download it. And for Mac, it is not official yet, but you have the unofficial app with some limitations. As usual, thanks for tuning to Tech Overlords. See ya on the next video.